grade 12. It's been lovely to see your growth over the last few years that I've known you. Take every chance that you have and just enjoy life.
I wish you all the best. I know you guys will do amazing things, and I hope to see you soon. Come back and visit us.
Congratulations, grade 12!
I just want to say goodbye to grade 12, and you were amazing, and I miss you already, and good luck. Enjoy life, be happy.
I want to say congratulations to grade 12. We're all very proud of you and we'll miss you very much.
Well done, grade 12. Big day, massive day.
Best luck, you've been a great year. I've learned just as much from you as you've learned from me, and I just think all the best for the future.
Congratulations, grade 12.
We'll miss you.
Mucha suerte.
Congratulations on everything you've achieved so far. You're an amazing set of young people. I expect you all to follow your passions and do it with a great smile on your face, and look for the challenges in life because it will make you more happy in the long run. Good luck.
Halcyon alumni, not anymore grade 12. Congratulations on this day. Remember, whatever path you took in life, make sure you enjoy it as well. I wish you all the best. All the best of luck. But please come and visit us. We might be at a Halcyon.